Downtime is the period when a computer system, service, or network is unavailable or not functioning. This means users cannot access the system or perform their work. Understanding downtime is crucial for businesses that rely on technology to operate. When systems go down, it disrupts productivity and affects everyone who depends on those systems. There are several reasons why systems experience downtime. Hardware failure occurs when physical components like hard drives or power supplies stop working. Software bugs are errors in code that can crash programs or the entire operating system. Human error happens when people accidentally misconfigure systems or make mistakes during maintenance. Power outages cut off electricity needed to run servers. Cybersecurity threats like malware and ransomware attacks can disable systems. External events, such as natural disasters, can also cause systems to go offline. Downtime has serious consequences for businesses. Revenue loss occurs because operations stop and companies cannot generate income during outages. Productivity drops significantly as employees are unable to complete their work and meet deadlines. Customers become dissatisfied when they cannot access services they depend on, which can lead to losing their business. The company's reputation suffers as stakeholders lose trust and confidence in the organization's reliability. Organizations can take proactive steps to minimize downtime. Regular maintenance involves scheduling updates and preventive checks on hardware and software to catch problems before they become serious. Redundancy systems include backup servers that automatically take over if the main server fails. Proactive monitoring uses real-time tracking to detect issues early before they cause outages. Regular data backups ensure information can be recovered if systems fail. Training employees on best practices and security protocols prevents many human errors. Power protection using uninterruptible power supplies and backup generators keeps systems running during power outages. When downtime occurs, having a response plan is essential. A response plan defines clear procedures, roles, and communication protocols so everyone knows what to do during an incident. Recovery Time Objective, or RTO, is the target time to get systems back online. Recovery Point Objective, or RPO, is the target for how much data loss is acceptable. Automatic failover means systems switch to backup infrastructure with minimal disruption. Regular testing and drills ensure these recovery procedures actually work when an emergency occurs. Following best practices helps minimize downtime effectively. First, prioritize critical systems by identifying and documenting which systems must be restored first based on business impact. Second, perform root cause analysis to investigate what caused the downtime so you can apply appropriate fixes and prevent it from happening again. Third, activate backup systems by switching to failover infrastructure or restoring from backups to get operations running again quickly. Fourth, test and verify that systems are working properly before fully resuming operations. The recovery process follows 5 key steps. First, assess the situation by evaluating damage and identifying which critical systems were affected. Second, activate backup and failover systems to get basic operations running. Third, restore data and rebuild infrastructure to get all systems fully operational again. Fourth, verify that all systems are stable and performing correctly before allowing normal use. Fifth, analyze what happened by documenting lessons learned so you can improve procedures and prevent similar incidents in the future.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.